Today on Mom to Mom, we're gonna give your kids peanut butter and jelly sandwich a makeover. If you're tired of the same old peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, or you've just run out of bread, we have a really cute and fun, easy way to spruce up those peanut butter and jellies. All you have to do is grab some waffles out of your freezer, some bananas, peanut butter, jelly, and we can start making this delicious snack. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'll tell you, my kids really love it as an after-school snack, plus it holds them over just enough for dinner time. So I don't need to tell you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I just have a couple suggestions that you could possibly try with your kids to see how much they like it. I suggest maybe some bananas. If you're feeling like a little extra crunch, maybe you can throw some potato chips on there, bacon. I like to use the chocolate chip waffles. My kids really love the chocolate chips, but they make all kinds. They've got blueberry, strawberry, cinnamon sugar, whatever you prefer, go ahead and make it. Just have a little fun when you're making these peanut butter and jellies, and it's so easy that your kids can make it. These are okay to serve cold, or you can toast them, or if you're feeling really fancy, you can make your own waffles. Now, if you don't have waffles or you prefer something different, you can put them on a bagel, you can put them on a wrap, whatever you prefer, any kind of bread-like substance, go ahead and do that. Now, moms, if you have any ideas, we'd love to hear them. You can share it with us on our Facebook page, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.